What's good, angels? It's your girl EarthAngel naturally, all up on your screen with another episode of DSession. Welcome, guys, to episode 8 of DSession. For this week's episode, we are going to be talking about, just briefly, the whole Spice and Nightly Fake situation with the launch of her mixtape and the aftermath of all of that. It's still probably the most current topic in dancehall right now, so we're gonna be talking about that for a little bit. And also Beenie Man released a song. I'm hearing it's at this the Elephant Man, so we're gonna see what that's going on with, because comment down below if you know about this and I don't. Beenie Man, Elephant Man have a history? I don't know about that, so this is news. So anyways, let's get into this week's video. Okay, angels, so for this week of DSession, like I said, we're going to be talking about Spice, and it is pertaining to Spice and Nightly Fix and our whole mixtape launch and all of that jazz. Now, it is a dated story because it happened like 2-3 weeks ago, I think. I know in 2018, anything that long is dated. However, due to the fact that our girl Spice is going around still telling people that the conversation has expired, and she want them to do something for her, it's still very current. It's still probably the hottest topic in dancehall. And sadly enough, dancehall has been quite boring for the past couple weeks. Like, not now go on, people, not now go on. And this is the problem I have with dancehall industry. Like, why do we have to depend on the artists to drop stuff in order for us to know what's going on? Like, where is our news outlets, media source? We're gonna make one know that see. Where is our journalists them where follow Spice go on tour in Germany for get a little clip with her and this something where probably I gonna shock the world. Like, we're over Jamaica TMZ there. And that me want to know. But that is for a whole nother video to discuss the cookie cutter media that we have out here in Jamaica for a country where entertainment is the biggest industry. Really? Like, the field is ripe. People, are you kidding me? Like, these artists have 360-degree control over them career. Right now, Nicki Minaj and Beyonce, all them people have here hire 50 million bodyguard and security to make sure them privacy stay in them house. And Spice could have keep up bare things at Twin Gates Plaza and nobody no know. Because the world will stand up so look, we not care. So that just kind of funny to me for a country we're going like we love mix up, so we just kind of turn a blind eye to everything. But anyways, that is for another video. Like I said, what we're gonna start talking about in this episode of DSession is to just basically wrap up the story, conclude it about what went down with she and Nightly Fix, and then to give my opinion, because I never really got to comment on it when it happened. And I do have a strong opinion and concern the fact that I'm a YouTuber putting out independent content like Nightly Fix, and the fact that I'm a Smurfette. When I know I love Spice already, hey, I think I'm in a unique position to give my honest opinion on what is going on. Alright, so let's just get into this whole thing that went down. Just to put it all in a nutshell, Spice released her mixtape, as we all know, Captured. It's awesome. If you haven't listened to it, you need to take a listen. It's #1 on the reggae Billboard charts, yeah. Anyways, well, and it's still the #1, hopefully. Hey, else girl, me I give some wicked promotion right now. But yeah, so she had her launch at 100 Oak Road, yeah, in Jamaica, Kingston, Jamaica. So she had her launch there, and at the launch she invited a number of media houses and media personalities. Now, we already knew that Nightly Fix was invited to this launch because we had watched, of course, yes, we had watched the interview that Nightly Fix had did like probably a week prior to her launch, to her mixtape launch with Trabas. And in that video, if you guys saw it, you saw that Nara mentioned they were invited to Spice's launch party, and they were asking Trabas's opinion whether or not they should go. And of course, you know Ari's now famous quote, "It's a trap."
I think it's a trap.
It's a trap.
No, industry, like the monks, industry people, I don't think it's a trap.
It's a trap.
Come on, that's nah. No.
Was made, and Trabas, being good old Trabas, convinced them to actually attend the launch party, saying that they will be around other industry people and it will be a good look for their podcast. Now, they took the advice and they went, and I don't blame them. Of course, go. If it's serious boy, you think, go. And you know, they went, and we all know what happened after that. Now, to break down exactly how all of that took place, what happened was that at the launch party, she performed and all of that, yeah. Miss Kitty was hosting. Miss Kitty looks very beautiful. Now, she was on a stage and she was taking questions from media houses down in the audience. They were in like some kind of VIP corner of section right at the stage foot. And she actually released footage herself of the media houses down, you know, at this at the foot of the stage asking her questions.
Yes. Sharika, Lord Jesus, everything I'm your call me. Yes, Sharika. Are you in Sharika? Good girl. Everything I'm your call me.
Okay. So, when we summed up, of course, it shook up the entire world. But there are persons out there, I know I personally heard the feedback. So the mixtape is there, Black Hypocrisy is on the mixtape. Do you think there is a disconnect between the other songs that's on the mixtape and Black Hypocrisy, since it was sending a positive message and other songs, you know, you got to promote?
No, I don't think there's any disconnection because, like I said, my fans know me for being me and Spice and giving them the slap songs. They already know Genie. I go out and I perform Genie. And
I don't know if she did this in an attempt to clown Naro, but she posted it in an attempt to show him, you know, they're trying to wait his turn to get his chance to ask a question. Now, in my opinion, if she was trying to clone him, it never worked, at least for me, because when I saw that, I was actually inspired. I was like, yo, if that was me and I got invited to go and have a, you know, to go and experience an artist launch and, you know, the session up and we did it with the camera and we're ready, of course me gonna do it. Of course. Why not go? I mean, if you're serious about your craft, then y'all go and y'all go do what you need for get what you need done. He's an opinion journalist. He came to ask questions and to sit down and enjoy your concert. So I didn't have a problem with that whatsoever. I never get it. Basically, I didn't get it. So anyways, we saw that, and then after that, he didn't get to ask his question there. It went on to one-on-one interviews now after the event. Now, in 96's video with them clearing up the whole situation, they did mention the fact that they were the last media house to be interviewed. So we got that fact there. They were the last to be to have their interview done, and then we all saw the interview. Now, if you watch the clip that 96 released with the interview from Naro sit down till when him get up, you would have seen say Spice really long time people. Spice sit down like Terminator, ready for take Naro out. Like she never care when they go come say, she never care when they go come ask her. She done build her speech already, know what she gonna say to him, know how she gonna approach it, and already have it planned out. Like, it was obvious that she was on the defense. She was not there to listen to what he had to say. She just had a lot to say on her mind and she wanted to get it out. And then that happened. Now, my opinion where that is concerned is that I think, and Spice, I love you. You know I love you. Everybody that follow me anywhere knows that I'm a Smurfette. Like, I always talk about Spice. Always, I'm a Smurfette and I'm a Bardi gang. Like, me the two of them. I'm a beehive. I love Beyonce, but I'm not obsessed. You know what I mean? But I'm a Bardi and I'm a Smurf. So everybody know how I feel about Spice already. But I can be honest and I can say that Mama Spice, that was very unnecessary. Very unnecessary. Very just low. That was a low blow for you. I think you never have to disrespect someone personally to get your point across. Especially in a professional setting. Like if you want him to that cuss about personal stuff, then I get it. But you never have to disrespect someone personally in a professional setting. You don't know him, you only know him opinion, you only know what him stand for. Him don't know you, him only know your music, your opinions, and where you stand for. Him don't know what bed you sleep on, you don't know what bed him asleep on, him don't know where your mother middle name, and you don't know what female mother middle name. So there was no personal connection between you and this young man, so I don't see why you felt the need to disrespect him personally. You could have tell him anything. You could have tell him about him nightly fix not going with nothing. You could have tell him say him and a real journalist of wrap up the interview. You could have done all of that. But to disrespect him personal shows that you took his opinions personally. And I understand that too, because as an artist, I get that your work is personal. I get that what you put out to the world is a part of yourself. That is personal to you. But what I do want artists to understand as well is that when you put your personal self out to the world, you're putting it out as a public product. So you are going to get publicly judged. And public judgment come with all sorts of different opinions. People are going to tell you say you're not so good. People are going to tell you say you're so good. People are going to tell you say if you read them up and come back again. People are going to tell you say girl, you're the baddest in the world. Just like there are people who say you're a queen of dancer and people say you're not make it yet. So once you put yourself out there, you are liable to anybody's opinion. And you can't take all of those opinions personally. Even though the opinions are being made about something you consider personal. It's just a part of the job description. For example, I'm doing YouTube. As much as I'm not coming on here all the time talking about myself, I am putting out my personal opinions. So if someone should go into my comment section and say, oh, Khadija, you don't that make sense, I cannot take it personal because that person is giving me an opinion on a product I made public, which is my thoughts, my opinions. So I can't get, personally offended by that. I have to address it on a professional level. So I had a big issue with that. I don't think I didn't even tell him nothing about his mother. I just think that was so unnecessary and so low. And just completely unnecessary in my opinion. But at the end of the day, I have to say I am very proud of Naro. I think he dealt with the situation very wonderfully. I think he held his composure. He was very professional and he could have reacted a completely different way like many of us would have. So I want to commend you, Nara, and commend Nilefix for how you guys handled the situation after that as well. They are very much credible. They are very much here to stay and they are good at what they do. So keep it up, Nara and our Nilefix team overall. I'm very proud of you guys. And we are friends. Nilefix and DSession is friends in my head. So that is basically my opinion on the whole Spice and Nilefix situation, guys. Now the next thing that I wanted to bring up, of course, is the Beenie Man situation. Alright, so I got word of the fact that Beenie Man dropped some kind of diss track for Elephant Man. Now I don't know if Beenie Man and Elephant Man having any history, so I don't know where this come from. I don't know what this is. But I'm gonna listen to just a little bit of this song and see what's going on.
I never know say one line could have caused so much problem, boy. I tell you, one line. But I listen, I can't understand what I'm saying no more. I say, just say you're not talk. Don't say nothing. Suffer psychopath. Don't say nothing. Man, I got wrong. Don't say nothing. The prevent the pain. Don't say nothing. When I come here, feel you no blame. Don't say nothing. But the way you call me name. Ding tech where you light for that you shame. Man, I roses for life. This ain't no game. Irrelevant man.
Ding tech where you light. Ding dong can't take Elephant Man light. I want to be the man. Hold on.
You also look like your hairstyle. Mr. Fake Jewel and Mr. Fake Smile. Career one fix up like out a 3 mile. Bad mind true, you know my money stack and buy. What that boy? Pay that thing you're going with. A scary life man live. Man a bad man you forward pull up on the bridge. I spread false information like Sam you was it. Hold them here, hold them here, hold them here, hold them here, hold them here. Kick and box man. And I kill me for that.
I can't listen to more of that. Okay, people. So I have opinions, verdict. First of all, Beenie Man, you're an icon. Beenie Man, you're a freaking legend in this industry, and you really gonna drop a song that is a combination of all our artists next song. My ear Cha-Cha Boy, my ear Fling. At one point, I think my ear him start bringing Flary. Like, you want Ding Dong sign contract for reusing music? Is this a cover of Ding Dong's greatest hits? What is this? And then I don't know if it's the people that will upload this create the cover art here or if the cover art is from him. But it's like I said, the king, a discipline, the elephant. Beenie Man, you are the self-proclaimed king of dancehall. Why are you doing this? It's a modern day Vegas. What kind of... Okay, first of all, I might need some schooling on dancehall history. But if you guys know of Beenie Man and Elephant Man having any type of conflict from way back till today, please comment down below and let me know, because I don't know of this. Like, this is news to me. This is strange. Like, where does that come from? Well, Elephant Man never did see you. Elephant Man not trouble nobody. Elephant Man there, me that videotape himself every day, man. Color mansion with him pool. Elephant Man not trouble nobody. Elephant Man never put out music. The last song Elephant Man jam was ski. That song there, yeah. Beenie Man, listen, okay. I don't like talking about Beenie Man on this session because I always sound like I'm hating. I'm not hating, he annoys me. He really does. And what annoys me about him is the fact that him keep on a try to stay relevant by doing the worst things. You realize nobody can stop talking about Bounty Killer Beenie Man? We can't stop talking about Bounty Killer. Why? Because the man makes sure him relevant, and relevant in the right way by building the industry, expanding the industry, being influential to other artists, having him hands in different parts of the industry. So you can't help but talk about Bounty Killer because Bounty Killer basically in everything. But you are trying to stay relevant by being a social media thought? I don't care who wants to say. I'm hating on Beenie Man. I heard it already. I'm not. I just really need him to stop doing this and to be the king that he says he is. Kings do not put down other iconic artists for clout. Like Elephant Man is a whole legend out here in these streets. Are you kidding me? Like seriously? And you have the nerve for you say Ding Dong take Elephant Man shine? No, darling. Ding Dong can't take Elephant Man shine. That would have come like when people that say Cartel, I go lose him shine to Alkaline. Doesn't make sense. Yes, are they in the same path in terms of what kind of music they put out in the business? Yeah, they put out dance music. Enough of them that they RDX they bought. Ask that different artists do that. But Elephant Man in a lane by himself. Elephant Man is probably, and what make Elephant Man unique to me is the fact that the man dance song them actually like have lyrics. Like the man come like him spend time and come up with some metaphor and them thing there. When everybody else just say, you know, repeat the one move over and over and over again. And it's the same thing they do to it when Bounty Killer and Cartel did I have problem. I must say Movado. Drop song about how when me say only for say a Gaza, me say, you ever try ride the back of some man? Sorry angels, that sound wrong. But if ever try ride the wave of some other artists, develop your own Beenie Man. Jesus. No, I'm gonna tell you why it hurt me, angels. Because like this man has so much that he can do for the industry, but him keep on and pop up with all of these ridiculous things. Like you had a whole baby recently. Crystal approve of this? Crystal hear that song here? Really? Oh boy, you know what, angels? I'm not even gonna get back in down here. Beenie Man, please just stop. Don't like really, honestly, just stop, because what you're doing is not good for dancers, it's not good for the industry, it's not good for artists who are trying to come up. Like you can imagine an artist that try to come up right now and hear you are this Elephant Man. If the two legend them up at top of one, so then I walk one on the bottom. When I can't do them, some of them man, it do right. Me not get this one at all. Alright angels, that's it for this episode of this session. Remember to leave a comment down below letting me know what you think about the Spice and Nilefix situation. Were you a part of that whole vibe? What you thought about it? And what you're thinking about right now? Because as I'm going to tell you, the story dated, but it's not really dated. You get what I say? So let me know what you feel about that in the comment section below. Have you heard this song from Beenie Man? Hopefully not, but if you have, leave a comment down below letting me know what you think about it. If you think Beenie Man is just really doing the most and nothing at the same time, let me know. Alright angels, so remember also to like this video. One thing I forget though, a long time I'm gonna do it, but see here, give my like button some love, show my like button some love, and also remember to share the video, guys. Share the video. Listen, angels, if you want to share the video, them, and so come other people get exposed to my content, you know, we have to share the video so that other people can see what I want and join in on the 90s. We can't keep it to ourselves, we have to share it. So remember to share the video and also subscribe to my channel if it's the first time you are coming. We release DSession episodes every week, or at least I try to do it every week. Sometimes it might happen like this one, we're kind of 2 weeks late. However, we do try to get them out every week along with other videos that we might do, reactions, reviews, other stuff like that. So remember to subscribe to my channel if you want to be a part of the Angel Army and experience all of this awesomeness, island vibe, Jamaican essence all the time. Yeah. And also, guys, remember to follow me on social media. Want to know already some other posts of the D updates and Wild Thoughts Wednesdays and everything nice. So follow me at EarthAngel_naturally. All my links will be in the description bar below. Until next time, angels, walk good. All the beautiful people out there in the world. Bye, angels.